What's going on, everyone? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Lexus LS 500 F Sport. This vehicle is powered by a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 with 416 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle can also do 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds. So I made a video on the 2024 LS 500 base model recently. So I've always wanted to get a video on an LS 500 F Sport. They're so hard to find. I've never gotten a video on an F Sport. I had multiple videos on LS 500 base models, but not the F Sport. So I'm excited to see that. The interior already off the bat just looks cooler, just plain cooler than the base LS 500, of course, considering the fact that it is the F Sport. You have perforated leather steering wheel with the F Sport badge down here, Alcantara on the doors, this really nice metal hexagon trim. I love the door handles in these. They look like the door handles in the LC 500. Beautiful dash. I love this. You also have heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, and the sunshade. These are really hard to find too. I think this is like one of 5 listed for sale in the country, pre-owned 2024 models, and they're just really hard to find, you know, and it makes sense. And you also have a Mark Levinson premium audio in this vehicle. The rear seats look awesome. You also have 2 sunroofs, which is really cool. You have the touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Pretty similar touchscreen, or basically the same screen you find in many Toyota and Lexus models. You have a 360 view camera, which is cool and helpful. You have Sport Plus mode in this F Sport. So yeah. Okay, so if you do this, it'll go into that sportier gauge, which shows like a huge tack. And then you have a wireless charging tray, as I mentioned, which you can see might have put my phone in there to show you guys again. All right, center console. Decent storage. You also have a USB-C charging port and a regular USB charging port. Lexus key fob is wrapped in leather, which looks really cool. But let's walk around this LS 500 F Sport and see what it looks like. Let me actually see the seat adjustments. There's just so much to see in this interior. All right. The doors are beautiful. We'll also sit in the back seat too before we drive it. You have the iridium exterior. I believe this is iridium or atomic silver, either one of those. You also have the beautiful gray wheels, Lexus brake calipers, F Sport badge on the side. The F Sport LS will give you like this black chrome styling on the front, and the front bumper is different. Spindle grille also looks a lot more aggressive. Very uncommon vehicle, and looks really nice. I just love how this car looks, and I like how it has the chrome trim just by being the F Sport, which gives it a more luxurious vibe, because this is, at the end of the day, a luxury sedan. I believe 2025 is the last model year for the LS, which is a shame because I love this car. The taillights are gorgeous. You also have dual outlet exhaust. So it's not power trunk. Here's the trunk space. So here's the sunroof for the rear passengers. You also have mirrors to look at yourself back here. Seats are really comfortable. The seats are a little bit like adjusted backwards right now, so not much space for me right now, but if I were to move the seat forward, I would definitely have a lot more space, like so. Now I have more space. You can also close this rear sunshade with this button right here. If you don't want to see that, you can just have this armrest. And you also have cup holders. So nice amenities for the rear passengers. And I love the suede inserts on the seats and the nice detail on the stitching. Looks beautiful. You also have B-pillar vents for the rear passengers. And the Mark Levinson reference sound system. The speaker grills are gorgeous. Look at that. I just love the materials. This is so elegant. Like, the door panels are so exquisite with the details and leather touches and all that good stuff. But now let's drive this 2024 LS500 F Sport and see what it's like. The walk around alone was 5 minutes of the video. There's just so much to see in here. This one only has 4,000 miles and it literally looks like a brand new car. As I mentioned, one of the only ones for sale in the country. You also have a head-up display. This is such a nice sedan. I'm one of those people who loves luxury sedans. I love the stately look of them and feeling that they give, and they just feel like true luxury. It's a shame that the market over the last 10 to 15 years in the car market has, you know, gone away from big size sedans. Everyone just wants SUVs now. Nice acceleration. As I mentioned, it's 4.6 seconds. The car feels nice and heavy. It feels heavy in a way. When I say it feels heavy, it feels like well built. It feels robust. It feels like a well put together car with the materials and everything. And it feels like a big luxury sedan should. Nice. That is really cool. So quiet and picks up speed so nicely. I just love the LS and LC 500s. They're just so nice. And you know they'll last a long time too. I can only imagine if this car had the naturally aspirated V8 that's in the LC 500. It would be insane to have that amazing exhaust note. Man, this thing feels so nice to drive. It's so quiet and handles well. The steering feels great in the Sport Plus mode. And the seats are so comfortable. All the leather touches in here are just absolutely elegant. It's such a beautiful interior. True luxury car right here. So to put it back in drive from the manual mode, you have to go down. If you move to the left, it'll just go to neutral. And you also have the camera mirror. I forgot to say that earlier too. You also have an air suspension. By pressing that button, the car will raise. park in front of the 7 Series and then conclude the video. This car belongs right between these nice 7 Series. That's the rear cross traffic monitoring. And parking sensors. But overall, this 2024 Lexus LS500 F Sport is a beautiful sedan, absolutely gorgeous, really nice drive, and very luxurious. I really like this car. But this vehicle is for sale at Grubbs Volvo Cars Grapevine, so if you're interested in shopping for one of the only pre-owned 2024 LS500 F Sports in the country with only 4,000 miles, be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for this vehicle and other pre-owned LS500 models.